Let's say I have a Kwai business and I need a landing page for my Kwai business. Create a landing page. In just a few seconds, it generates all these codes for the landing page. Go live option down here. And just like that, the web design is ready by the team Chiyung. I haven't bought any tickets yet, so I can ask ChatGPT to make the decision for me. I should buy it or not. In the last video, I gave you a brief introduction to ChatGPT. Today, I'll show you how to use it in a little more detail with some practical use case examples. So you can visit the ChatGPT website at chatgpt.com or download the mobile app from the respective app stores for both Android and iOS. Don't worry if you just saw me using the desktop version. I actually use the mobile app most of the time. It's just more convenient to make a video on desktop, so you can go ahead and use it on your mobile. So here's the page again once the site is open. So for simple queries or any questions where you don't need a follow-up later, you can use it without logging in, and you can click on this stay logout option. So like asking who is the Prime Minister of Meghalaya, and your conversation history won't be saved. But if you want to use the advanced models and save your conversations, you'll need to log in. I know I made a mistake there. It's the Prime Minister of India or the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but I did that intentionally, and I'll show you why. To log in, you can go to this sign up option if you don't have an account yet. You can sign up using your Google account to speed up the process. If you have a multiple Google accounts, it's important to remember which email address you sign up with so that your data like your conversation history won't be lost, and you can continue with the old conversation anytime. So as shown in the last video, here is the interface once you are logged in. A new chat will be open by default. Okay, so here's the reason I made that error intentionally. So let me show you the difference between when you are logged in and use the advanced model and when you are not logged in and using the default model. So let's say I ask the same question again. Who is the Prime Minister of Meghalaya? So your chat conversation will be saved here since you are logged in. See, here it explains to me that as a state it does not have a Prime Minister, but instead it has a Chief Minister, which is Conrad Sangma. But in the previous one, it just gave me the answer, which is the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and did not correct my error at all. So let me show you again. I can go to incognito mode to show you without logging in. chatgpt.com. Again, who is the Prime Minister of Meghalaya? See, it doesn't correct me at all. It just gives me a straight answer. So you can share, rename, archive, or delete this particular conversation here. Then you can open a new chat from this icon for a different question. Like I can ask here, how E is equal to MC square? Just a random question you may have in your mind. Then if you like, you can continue in the old conversation by saying like, really? And it will respond based on the previous conversation. Now, here are some of the use cases for ChatGPT. So let's take myself as an example. Like YouTube is not my full-time job, and I can ask ChatGPT to plan my day for me. I can ask it, I currently have a full-time job and make YouTube videos on the side. I work 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, 2 days off. Plan my day so that I can manage both effectively. See, it has planned my days as requested in just a few seconds. So weekdays, waking up at 6 and do the following, then plan my day and review content ideas, then during work hours, do the following, then evening after work, do this, then night, do this, then the week off, focus on shooting videos, evening spending time with family, blah 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 blah. Then I can also ask it, I make videos about AI, mostly about ChatGPT. I want you to give content ideas for me. It gives me a list of 20 content ideas, but I can ask for more, like give me 50 more or 100 if you like. Then I can choose any ideas that I like from here. So this makes my life so much more effortless or a little to no effort at all. So you can use the same method in your case based on what you're doing. Maybe you are a student, so you can ask the same thing like, I'm a student, I have class from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. I want you to plan my day for me. You can also add details like, I have tuition from 5 to 6 and help with house chores a little bit. Please plan my day to manage it properly. See, all day is properly planned for you. So I hope you get the point now. So one of the most popular uses of ChatGPT is writing code. Now anyone can create a website without needing to know how to code. All you need is the ability to give a clear instructions and it will generate the code for you. So let's say you have a small business and you know that having an online presence is very important for businesses, like maybe having a landing page where that can help drive traffic to your business. Let's say I have a kwai business and I sell kwai and I need a landing page for my kwai business. So let's ask it to create that for me. I can say I sell kwai as in betel nut. To be more precise, price ranging from 10 to 50 rupees. I want you to create a landing page for me. In just a few seconds, it generates all these codes for the landing page and also give these instructions to set up the file and the file's name. So I need to set up the index.html file and the styles.css file. So let's do that. To create a new folder on the desktop for the project, I'll name it kwai itself. So open the folder, create a new file here, index.html. So another file, let's copy paste the name so that there won't be any typo. Paste it here. So let's open Visual Studio. So this is a popular editor for coding. So drag the project folder to the Visual Studio, copy the index.html file and paste it to the index.html file in the Visual Studio. Do the same thing for styles.css. Paste. So go to File, Save All. So go to this Go Live option down here. Just like that, the web design is ready with all these basic features with not bad design as well, where customers can view your products, can read more about your business and contact you. It even knows how to match the color theme as per the nature of the product. Now let's try to find some kwai image and add it here. I can search from Google kwai. Let's be more specific, Kasi. So image, I can take this image, save. Let's take this one as a second choice, save. So let's take this one as product image, save. So let's copy the images to the project folder. So use the same name in the code file, paste here in this hero section, copy this product and paste it here on the product card. So something is wrong here, the product image doesn't work. Okay, duplicate extension here. So I can correct that one first. See, just like that, it's ready including the images. So let's check it for mobile view. And it's already mobile responsive. I didn't even have to ask. So if you just spend a day or two, your website will be fully ready. So that's a brief one about creating a website with ChatGPT. So I will try to make a dedicated videos for every use case scenario, like use case for students, teachers, content creators, businesses, employees, creative work such as musician, video maker, and many more. What ChatGPT or any other such tool does is make your life much easier, either in performing tasks or helping you making decisions. So let's take one example of how it can help you make decisions. Let's say with the ongoing lucky draw organized by the team Chiyung. I haven't bought any tickets yet, but let's see here if it's good to buy or not. So I can ask ChatGPT to make the decision for me. I mean, the final decision will be entirely up to me or you, but let's see what it has to say and why. So I can say there is an ongoing lucky draw ticket being sold by the team Chiyung. It's 400 rupees each. I'm still not sure whether I should buy it or not. So let's find some ticket image so that it can make a proper decision for me. So let's go to Chiyung Instagram page. Chiyung, might as well follow them. You can do the same on my page. So it looks like this is where I'll get the ticket image. Oh, it's a video. So let's wait for the image to pop up. Pause, take a screenshot, paste it here. Here's the ticket and its prices. You should definitely consider buying the lucky draw ticket. Even though the chance of winning might be low, if you don't buy the ticket, you'll lose 100% of the chance you don't take. Oh shoot, sold.